Receiving money through BNP Paribas can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open your BNP Paribas account. If you don't already have an account, you will need to open one. Visit a local branch of the BNP Paribas website to start the application process. Make sure to have your identification and any required documents ready. Step 2. Provide your bank details. Once your account is set up, you will need to provide your bank details to the person sending you money. This typically includes your account number and the bank's IBAN International Bank account number. Step 3. Choose a transfer method. Discuss with the sender how they will transfer the money. They can use various methods such as a bank transfer, international wire transfer, or services like Western Union, depending on their location and preference. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After the sender initiates the transfer, confirm with them that they have completed the process. It is important to keep track of any reference numbers or confirmation receipts they provide. Step 5. Check your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily receive money through BNP Paribas. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank for more detailed guidance.